How is the function given by? Function is given by f of x is equal to the new example related to the continuous random variable, because here we see the range is given. So a function is defined by f of x is equal to 1 upon 18 2x plus 3 for the range 2 less than x less than 4. It is 0 otherwise. Show that it is a density function. Find the probability that a variate having this density will fall in the range 2 to 3. Show that it is a density function means its probability value should be equal to 1. It should not exceed 1. After doing so many examples related to the joint probability function, it is a new type where we have to identify that it is a function of single random variable. Show that it is a density function means for the given range, the value of integration should come out as 1. So for this particular given function, 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3 for the range 0 to 4. It will be a density function if it satisfies integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. But our function is defined only for the range 2 to 4. So I will integrate this between 2 to 4. So 1 by 18 into 2x plus 3, which is a function to be integrated between 2 to 4. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 3 is 3 into x. So it is 1 by 18 into this integral to be substituted between the limit, upper limit as 4, lower limit as 2, and I am getting the answer as 1. So this condition is fulfilled, and hence I say that yes, it is a density function. Now what we have to calculate, this probability fall in the range 2 to 3. Now just integrate it between the limit. So probability to be calculated between 2 to 3 is integral 2 to 3 f of x dx. So integral 2 to 3 1 by 18 2x plus 3. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 3 is 3 into x. Put the limit, upper limit and lower limit, you get the answer, and probability for 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3 comes out to be 4 by 9. So whenever you have to check whether it is a density function or not, क्या करना है? Check the value of the integral. If the integral for the given range comes out to be 1, we say that yes, the given function is a density function. And apart from that, for whatever range the value of the probability is calculated or is asked, just integrate between the limits, because it is probability a less than x less than b. So integration will be done between a to b, and accordingly we will be solving the integral by putting upper limit and lower limit, and we get the answer which is 4 by 9. Now again example related to the probability of a continuous random variable. The probability distribution function of a random variable x is given by capital F of x, which is 1 minus 4 upon x square. For x greater than 2, for x less than or equal to 2, it is 0. Calculate probability density function of x, probability for x less than 3, probability for 1 less than x less than 5. This is probability distribution function capital F of x. How you calculate the density function? By calculating or differentiating the distribution function, we get the density function. This rule is common everywhere. So this is your capital F of x given for the range. I differentiate this capital F of x to get the small f of x, which is called as density function. So what is derivative of 1? 0. Derivative of 1 upon x square is minus 2 upon x cube. So derivative of minus 4 upon x square is 8 upon x cube. So what is our density function? Our density function f of x is now 8 upon x cube for x greater than 2 and 0 for x less than or equal to 2. Apart from that, what is as probability for x less than 3? But अपना range जो क्या चालू हो रहा है probability का, for the variable x, for less than equal to 2 it is 0, for greater than 2 it is existing. But ये कहां तक बोला है? 3 तक बोला है. So how the range will be calculated for x less than 3 means minus infinity to 3, right? But our x is starting from 2, so I will be calculating it for the value between 2 to 3. But when the probability is between a to b, how it is calculated? It is integral between a to b f of x dx. So integral 2 to 3 f of x dx. What is f of x? We have just now calculated 8 upon x cube. Integration of 1 upon x cube is minus 1 upon x square, and that is how we do the integration. Put the upper limit, lower limit, your answer comes out to be 5/9. So what is probability for x less than 3? Probability for x less than 3 is 5/9. Denominator is greater than numerator, answer is less than 1. Simply what is calculated or what is asked, the second part, probability between 1 to 5. So how it will be splitted as probability for 1 to 2 and 2 to 5. क्योंकि अपना फंक्शन ये किसके लिए डिफाइंड है? 2 तक it is 0, beyond 2 it is 8 upon x cube. So here they are asking you the value from 1, so it will be 1 to 2 and then you integrate it between 2 to 5. इन्होंने जो रेंज के लिए बोला है वो रेंज के लिए अपन निकालेंगे. So for 1 to 2 the function does not exist, its value is 0. For 2 to 5 the value of the function, क्योंकि x greater than 2 के लिए है function 8 upon x cube. So 2 to 5 is greater than 2. So what is function over there? 8 upon x cube, and we integrate it, put the upper limit and lower limit. Our answer comes out to be 21/100, and hence the probability is 21/25. 4 divided by 100 is 25. So this is the probability between 1 less than x less than 5, which comes out to be 21/25. A very simple example related to the continuous random variable which contains only